Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reverse Bitcoin transaction on Cash App. Please keep in mind that Cash App is very strict with refunding Bitcoin, and although I'm going to teach you how to issue a reverse, you should remember that your request might still be denied. All you have to do is open up the latest version of the Cash App and go to your profile page. Within your profile or account page, locate the Activity tab. Inside the Activity tab, you'll find a full list of all transactions you've made, including payments, the money you've received every time you logged in, and of course, Bitcoin purchases. When you click on any of these transactions, including the Bitcoin ones, you will be able to see a complete detailed view of the transaction. From there, you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open up the menu I'm showing on screen. Within this menu, you should see the Refund button listed among the options. You can simply click on Refund to check whether you are eligible for a refund, and if you are, you can go ahead and submit the request. If you do not see the refund option, or if the system automatically denies you, then your next step is to contact support directly and explain your issue, following the steps I've demonstrated. It's important to note that aside from the automatic refund button and reaching out to support, there is no other way to refund Bitcoin purchased through Cash App. By the way, if you're dealing with crypto but want a smarter solution for your regular money transfers, I recommend Wise. I use it myself. Wise is cheaper, faster, and more transparent than traditional banks, and you get a free debit card to spend worldwide. If you sign up today using the link in the description, your first transfer, up to $800, is free. Setting up your account is fast and completely free.